Lately, I have received many questions from my Chinese students. They asked me, Xuyang, can you recommend some of popular cities in China to travel to? Because I want to discover China for its beautiful places and culture. So today in this video, I am going to share with you some of popular cities in China with their scenic, the cities. And first, help you understand the characteristics of the cities. And then you can choose your own places. So let's go! And before I introduce the popular cities, I like to introduce my amazing country, China, to you. China, 中国. And in China, there are few classifications of cities in China. And the first is 中国大陆, Chinese mainland. And second is Hong Kong, 中国香港. And third is Macau, 中国澳门. And next is Taiwan, 中国台湾. Taiwan, 中国台湾. So, okay, let's go for your traveling. The first, let's go Beijing.
Beijing. Beijing is the capital city of China. As the capital of China, Beijing is also one of 4 ancient capitals of China. It's not only have a site of fashion and leisure, but also allows you to see and understand the great civilization, history, and culture of China. If you come to Beijing, the sites worth visiting must be Great Wall first. Great Wall, 长城. And then followed by the Forbidden City, 紫禁城. And next, the Old Summer Palace, 圆明园. And next is 天安门, 天安门. And 三里屯, 三里屯. And last one is 后海, 后海. And of course, there are many good places are worth to visit. So, I hope you can have a really amazing trip in Beijing. And the second is Shanghai. Shanghai. Shanghai is international metropolis. It's also known as a fashion capital with beautiful scenery and gorgeous architecture. Shanghai is also the financial center of China. Therefore, when you stay in Shanghai, you will feel the ingenious relation of fashion and Chinese culture, bring you a different feeling of China. If you come to Shanghai, you can go Waitan, the Bund, and Shanghai Disney, Shanghai Disney, Shanghai Disney, and the famous building, which is 东方明珠, Oriental Pearl Tower and 南京路步行街 Nanjing Road Pedestrian Street. And number 5 is 陆家嘴. And of course, there are also many beautiful places and a very good restaurant you can go. So I believe that you will have an amazing experience there in Shanghai.
In this city, I strongly recommend to you because it's the place where I live. In my heart, it's like a gentle girl. The city is Hangzhou, and there is a Chinese proverb. There is heaven, they are Suzhou and Hangzhou. That means Suzhou and Hangzhou are beautiful as a paradise. And if you come to Hangzhou, I recommend you must go Xihu, West Lake. And number 2 is Lingyin Temple. And number 3 is 清河坊街 Qinghefang Street. And number 4 is 杭州宋城景区 Hangzhou Songcheng Scenic Area. And last one is 九溪烟树 The 9 Greek Smoke Tree. Actually, in Hangzhou, there are many more really amazing places you must go. So when you come to Hangzhou, just let me know. I would love to be your tour guide. And this city, perhaps for the name you are strange, but mention the
terracotta warriors.
You must know. It has been known as ancient city of Xi'an. There are a lot of historic buildings. If you go there, you will be one step closer to understand the profound Chinese culture. This is I have always wanted to go, but I haven't been to. If you also want to go, then tell me in the comments section. Let's go to the history of Xi'an.
你好，这里是西安，这里有千年韵味的古城建筑，这里有国际化的城市楼宇，熙熙攘攘的热闹街巷，高亢的秦腔一曲，老字号美食与醇香咖啡，华服美人与科技新潮，越来越多的词汇成为这座城市的标签。古城、新貌、文化、创新。
And this city is also my favorite. It's a diversified city and also known as the financial center of Asia. There are a lot of delicious food and paradise for shopping. It's called Hong Kong, 香港. And next is a place I've always wanted to go and never been to. So if you go and tell me, let's go together. I heard there's a lot of good food and beautiful scenery. And this city is called Taiwan. And The last one is Macau. 澳门. Macau is a very small city, but it's a diversified city. It has casinos, many shopping malls, and many authentic, spicious food. I recommend you to walk more in Macau because I think every street has its own flavor.
Alright, how is the introducing of the popular cities? Have you already decided which city you want to visit first? And now, do you already know your future trips to these cities? If this video has shown what you want to know and also helped you to answer the question that you have on your mind, and there are still more and more beautiful cities in China that are waiting for you to adventure. So if your city is not here in this video, put your city's name in our comment sections below, and I will create for you to more beautiful cities in China that you can travel to. If our video has helped you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you have any video topics you want to watch in our upcoming videos, leave your comments below, because we will create for you. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please hit the subscriber bell button below. And if you think the video can benefit to someone, please share our video to them so that we can help more and more Chinese learners on their Chinese learning journey. And I will see you on our next videos. Bye bye!